Number 7, we have the following information. We have yzx is equal to 10x minus 8. We have the measure of xyz, which is equal to 136. And this problem says it wants us to solve for the value of x. Okay, so let's plug in the information given. They gave it to us in words and not in the diagram, like our measure of yzx. So right here we have the measure of xyz, which is equal to this information right here. So that's the measure of xyz. So we do have a rhombus. Since it is a rhombus, that means both these sections are equal to each other. So we could just divide 136 in half and get what this is going to be. And not only do we have this information, we have all the angles in the middle, all the diagonals are going to be perpendicular to one another. So all we have to do right here is do 136 divided by 2. So 136 divided by 2 would get us 68. So when we half it, this is 68. This is 68. Now we have this plus 90 would equal to 180 for a triangle. Because if we look at it now, we have all this information. And we have it's not perfect, but that's what we have. It's a triangle. So what we have here, it's 90 degrees. We could use the rule and just subtract by 90, but let's just use the triangle since that's easy to remember. So 180 degrees, which represents the entire triangle that we just kind of highlighted, is equal to 90 plus 68 plus 10x minus 8, which we get 180 is equal to, let me just highlight this before I move on. The 68 came from this. 180, 90 plus 68, when put the 8 and then minus 8 would just be 150 plus 10x. Then I have a 150, so I wanted to subtract by 150. Subtract by 150, you get 30 is equal to 10x. Divide by 10, divide by 10, you get x is equal to 3. Alright. Told us to find the value of x, and guess what? We get the value of x is equal to 3. To check your work, you could always just plug it in here and see if this angle and this angle are supplementary. Which we could check. 10x minus 8 plus 68, or complementary, is equal to 90. We found the value of x. So we just plug it on in. So we have 30 minus 8 plus 68, 22 plus 68 is equal to 90. Oops, let's plug it on up. You get 90 is equal to 90. 90 is equal to 90, so we did it right.